Is Opera's built-in ad blocker not working properly? If ads are still appearing on websites, pages aren't loading correctly, or the ad blocking feature won't turn on? In this video, I will show you how to fix ad blocking on Opera app. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application of Opera. Then here in this window, you will move to this sign as you see on your profile. After that, we click on settings, so you will tap on settings. Then here in this list, you will find ad blocking. You will tap here on ad blocking like this. And then in this window, you will find this sign or this feature here. Tap here to fix this problem. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.